Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm back at the same park, but this time I brought my CineWhoop with me. I've updated the rates, and I've also got a couple new batteries. They're the 850 milliamp battery 4S batteries. So we're just going to take it around the park and see how it does. Hope you enjoy the footage.
Every night is like a daze, but oh, I feel embraced as I know I'm running late. Let's wait just one more day. I know I'm running away from moments. What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I'm feeling stuck, maybe out of luck. I'm falling in and out of time. I hope that you come home, please pick up the phone. I need to know if you are fine. I know I'm running away from moments. What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.